For this craft, you will need a lantern and glow-in-the-dark glue or paint. Start at the top of your lantern and work your way down, squeezing out bead-sized dots. It's best to have your lantern flat on a table or only at a slight angle, because the glue or paint can be runny until it dries. Repeat this pattern on each side until your entire lantern is covered with dots. If you'd like to find this lantern or the glow-in-the-dark paints, I put links in the description below. Although I used both the glow-in-the-dark dimensional writer and the tulip glow-in-the-dark fabric paint, I prefer the tulip glow-in-the-dark paint because it came out of the tube much more smoothly and went on much more easily.